Hi, this is the Vivo T1 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings application and after that scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see media, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change volumes, we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side. There's dots on each of the volume panels. Here we got to use volume buttons to adjust. Just by press up or down volume button, now we'll change the media. We could switch it also to change the ringtone with the help of the volume buttons. We could activate and turn off the audio booster to use the vibration for incoming calls, change the vibration intensity, also to activate or turn off vibration for notifications and switch the level high from high to medium or low, to activate and turn off don't disturb mode. In media section, we could pin media player and show media recommendations with the help of those switchers, to change the phone notification and alarm ringtones, to activate and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds, vibration, touch sounds, screen tone capture, touch vibration, when the other party answers hands up. So just with the help of each of the switchers, we should use the switchers here. And in sound quality and sound profiles, we could also switch the sound settings to customize our phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.